Alright, good afternoon everyone. At ulit tayo nagbabalik sa ating barangay Santa Lucia Basketball League. This is the Juniors Division. Yan, sila ng mga kapanapanabik na laban ng ating masasaksihan ngayong gabi or ngayong hapon. This is the battle between the 1500 City of Saints versus the undefeated as of now, ang Hill City. Good luck. And let's the battle begin. Oy! Pucha, nagbabalik ko ang idol kong referee. Oh. Kamusta? Oo. Shout out sa inyo. Pare, ganun pa rin. Pinang space sa gitna para matuto ka rin. Thank you. Kamusta? Saan madalas?
Hoy, baka daw ubus yan kanina.
Shoutout kay
last game ka ba po?
Ha? Wala. Last game ko ba kayo? Tingnan natin. Shoutout kay ating butihing Barangay Cagawa, JM Alfonso. Ayan, no? Shoutout SK Alcags, former. Napakasipag at lagi active dito sa ating mga laban. Salute sa inyo. Cagawa JM Alfonso. At ganun na rin ang ating mga SK Council. Kasama natin si SK Kagawad Miguel and SK Kagawad Segado. At ganun din ang ating SK Chairman Brian De La Cruz. At syempre hindi na makakalimutan ang ating barangay captain June Belches at ang ating mga barangay council. Okay, let's the battle begin. Shoutout po sa mga nag-share ng blessing. Ayan, kala ate, kala mama Lombre family. Tayo. Tingnan natin kung magiging tuloy-tuloy ang panalo ng Hill City dito or mamamarkahan na ng pagkatalo. Ang 1500 na kaya ang unang magbibigay ng pagkatalo sa Hill City kaya. Ayan, thank you po. Thank you, Coach April Herrera. Alright, first ball para sa Hill City. And shoutout din po kay Bukan Chris. Ready. Number 7, floater, wala. Out of bounds. Oh, first basket mula kay Rosales. Number 7. Ayan na si JM De La Cruz with a reverse layup. No good. Rebound by Max Sevilla. Pass to Levy. Kinagay kay Rosales. 4-3. Yes sir. Para sa 3 by Mark Rosales. 5-0 ang ating talaan. Bola na ang mga laki team. J.I. Lombre. Mangahas. Pass to JM. Rep. Sorry. Thank you. Basket is good by JM ang De La Cruz. Rosales from the corner. 3 points. Once again, back-to-back 3 points by Mark Rosales. 18-2 ang ating talaan. Mangahas. Oh, steal by Levy. To Rosales. Back to Levy. Back to Rosales. 4-3. Oh, in and out. Rebound by Lombre. Oh, sorry. That is Jonas De La Cruz. Pass to Jai. Jai. Reverse layup. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Levy. Pass to Mark. All the way. Basket is good by Mark Rosales. Time out dito. Ang 1500 of Saints. Official score is 10-2 in favor pa rin sa Hill City. Time remaining 8 minutes and 1 second. Magandang panimula para sa Hill City. Ayan, shoutout tayo kay Ate Kring Sabas Ribukan. Ayan, shoutout po ma'am for giving me a blessing para supportahan ng ating live. Maraming salamat po, malaking tulong po yan. Lombre 4-3. Ayan, sa mga gusto pong mag-share ng kanilang blessing, it's an honor at malaking tulong po ito para sa atin sa pagano ng live. Ayan, steal ng team. Oy, nakalusot Jonas De La Cruz with the first field goal by Moy De La Cruz. 10-4 ang ating talaan. Levy, pass to Mark from the corner. 3-point na naman para kay Mark. That's at tatlong beses na po nakakatira ng 3 points dito si Mark Rosales. Wala, rebound by Levy. Outlet pass to Rosales, 2 against 2. Para pass to Rosales. Wala, nabitawan doon. Rebound by Jai. Ay na, Lombre to JM. Basket by JM De La Cruz. 13-3-6 ang ating talaan. Levy. Kapangpangan. Pass to Rosales. Back to Levy. Binigay sa loob. Steal by Mangahas to JM. JM attacking the basket and there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 3, JM De La Cruz. First shot para kay JM. Basket, that's good. Second shot para kay JM. 2 for 2. By De La Cruz. JM. 13-3 ang ating talaan. Levy. Pass to Rosales. Wala. Rebound. JM. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Hill City. Levy to Rosales from elbow. Rosales with a putback by Mark. 15-8 in favor pa rin sa Hill City. Ore to JM. Basket by JM De La Cruz. Foul by 5. 5-point lead para sa Hill City. Rosales. Back to Levy. Pass to Rosales. To Levy. Top of the key for 3. Yes sir. Para sa 3. By Levy. Kapampangan. For their first field goal. Dito sa laban. 18-10 ang ating score. Jai. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ni Levy. Outlet pass to Rosales, 2 against 1, and there's a foul. Number 8, that is Moy De La Cruz. On the free throw area, just number 7, Rosales. Basket. Second shot para kay Rosales. 2 for 2. Official score 20-10. 10-point lead. Biggest lead of the game para sa Hill City. Pahe. Catch and shoot. Basket is good. Down by 8. Nabasa ulo ang lamang ng Hill City. Rosales from the corner. Nakakalima na dito si Mark Rosales. Ayan na, Moy spin using the glass. Wala, enters a foul. Foul number 24, that is Maxi Villa. Bola rito ng 1500 City of Saints. Pass to Pahe. Pahe to sorry, that's a Andal. Bola rito ng mga nakitim. Bounce pass to Andal. Using the glass. Basket is good. On the shot para kay Andal. Number 18 for 3-point play. Pinasa na rin dito si Nuke. Manaloto and jersey number 9. May pinasa na rin para sa Hill City. At na rin si Bongato. And shoutout muli kila Ate Claire Lombre. Maraming salamat din po sa inyong pag-share ng blessing. Ayan na si Lombre. Pinasa loob. Bongato, reverse layup. No good. Rebound by JM. Outlet pass. De La Cruz. Short. May pagsak doon ni De La Cruz. Manaloto with the basket. Official timeout tayo. Wait lang. Shoutout mo tayo dito, pare. Shoutout, idol. Pare, lumalamang ang Hill City. Ano masabi niyo doon, pare? Okay, back to the ball game. Bola dito ng 1500 City of Saints. Andal. Andal. High post. Spin. And there's a ball. Number 1, Bongato. JM De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Steal by Manaloto. Pass to Bitoy. Number 9. Steal by JM. De La Cruz. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha. Wala pa rin. There's a foul. Ayan na. Ang hinihintay nating labanan. The Battle of Alombre. Pinagay ka sa corner. Naglalaban na magkapatid. Nuke attacking the basket. Wala. Rebound. Mayandal. Ayan na. Ooh, there's a foul. Shooting on the line. Jersey number 25. I see. Free throw area, no good. Second shot para kay C. Basket. Labas 10 ang kalamangan ng Hill City. Janeta. Tubongado. Manaloto. Pass sa corner. Nombre. Janeta from the 3. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Bongato. Bongato. And that's it. 3 seconds violation. Wala rito ng mga nakitin. JM De La Cruz. Pass to Stephen. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Bongato. Janeta. What an extra pass. Nuke. And that's a traveling violation. Bola rito ng 1500 Seed of Saints. JM. Pinaslog para kick out. Albaladejo, wala. Rebound. Pahe, wala. And there's a foul. Pushing foul by jersey number 1, Bongato. Number 18, Andal in the free throw area. Shot is good. Andal. Baba sa single digit ang kalamangan ng Hill City. Second shot para kay Andal. Wala. Rebound by Nuke. Laneta. Pass to Sevilla. Back to Laneta. Laneta to Lombre. Lombre. Pass to Kai. Manaloto. Pinigay. Sevilla 4-3. Short. Rebound. Ni Andal. Pass to Albaladejo. To JM. Pass to 3. Wala. Rebound. Oh, dito na ang Hill City. Nuke. Pass to Laneta. Laneta. Di-discarte. Janeta, drop pass. Sevilla, kick out to Lombre. 4-3, wala. Rebound. Masisave. Yun nga lang. Pass in the wrong man. JM De La Cruz. Nagmamadali. De La Cruz. Tumira. And there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 3. JM De La Cruz. Time remaining, last 32 seconds. De La Cruz, no good. Shoutout kay Coach Mook Polo. Basket para kay JM. 17-25. Down by 8. Laneta. Pass to Sevilla. To Lombre. To Sevilla from elbow to wala. Rebound. Steal by Nuke. Nuke, jersey. Ooh. Changing direction, pass to Laneta, fake, attacking the basket, wala, rebound, makukuha dito ni Sevilla. Sevilla and out of bounds. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 25-17 in favor of the Hill City. Lamang pa rin ang Hill City dito ng 8. Alright, second quarter tayo. Yes, thank you po. Shoutout muna tayo kay classmate ko na si Leslie De Los Santos de Los Reyes. And shoutout din kay Coach Rem Gabriel Dano. And shoutout daw kay Leslie. Shoutout mate, watching sa bahay. And happy viewing sa inyo mate. At sa lahat ng nanonood nating live, baka pwede pa share pa nating live. Let's go, back to the ball game. Baladeo, not. Second quarter tayo. Bola rito. Tumira si Jonas. Wala. Rebound by Rosales. Rosales. Backdoor pass to Bitoy. Bitoy. Take a shot. No good. Rebound. Ayan na. Wala pa rin. Rebound dito. Ni Carl. Pass to Albaladejo. To Moy. To Carl. Carl, drop pass to Narzoles. Basket. Mabasa-anim ang kalamangan ng Hill City. Lombre 4-3. Yes, sir. 3-point by Lombre. Ayun na. Number 50 with a strong drive by Coyle. Lombre fake. Pass to Rosales. Top of the key for 3. Ayan na ang ika-anim na 3-point shot by Mark Rosales. And there's a foul. Time out. Time out dito. Ang 1500 City of Saints.
Hoy, Bibi! Tama mo, Bibi!
Albaladejo 4-3, wala. Rebound by number 50 yan. Andre to Lombre. Back to number 15. Fade away shot, no good. Rebound by Moy. Moy attacking the basket na alusot. sa 7 ang hinahabol ng 1500 si Rio Saints. Lombre. Pass number 15 and there's a foul. Foul number 15, that is Carl. Lombre to Andre. Pass to Mark Rosales for 3. In and out. Rebound. Rosales from elbow 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Narzoles. Narzoles. Pass to Moy Moy. Moy Moy. Spin. And there's a foul. Shooting at the line. Jersey number 8. De La Cruz.
First foul by number 18.
First shot, no good. Second shot is good. 24-30. 31 daw po. 31. Andre, 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Vitol, 4-3. Yes, sir. Para sa 3. Ayan na. Babawi. Lombre. Sumagot ang kanyang kuya. Ayan na ang hinihintay natin. The Battle of Lombres. Number 15 to Andre. Back to Pinigay. Rosales 4-3. Wala. Rebound. What a save there. Natapon ang kanyang Melky. Natamaan. Time out muna, official time out. For safety muna natin, for safety. Ayan. Ngayon na paumanin si Olave sa naganap na di inaasahan. Ayan, shoutout kay sa ating mga caretaker yan, sa pamumuno ni Idol Boss Ray Pascual and Boss George Angan-Angan. Ayan, mabuhay kayo. Nakatulong kayo sa ating paliga. Alright, official time up po muna tayo. Time remaining 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Shoutout po kay Ate Claire Lombre. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pa-Gcash. Malaking tulong po ito para sa ating budget sa ating live. Maraming pong salamat po kila Ma'am Ribukan and a Lombre family. Ayan, kila Ate Kring yan and Ate Lane. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Official score 27-34. Lamang pa rin ang Hill City. Ball game tayo. Moy De La Cruz. De La Cruz, top up na-keep, 4-3, wala. Rebound, makakuha ni Albaladejo. And first basket by Albaladejo. Si Idol, nakashoot na rin. Lombre. Back to Andre. From elbow 3, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz to extra pass. Narzoles, basket. Nabasa tatlo ang Alamang Hill City. Olave. Pass to Andre. Rosales. Rosales. Uy! Pass by number 15. Moy. Oh, there's a foul. Foul number 21. Foul number 27. Ano, 21 rather. Olave. Free throw area. Second shot para kay Moy Moy. 2 for 2. Down by 3. 36-33. Levy, pinasok na rin para sa Hill City. Levy, pass to Olave from the corner 3. Short. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Number 15. No good. Rebound. Marshall to Levy. Fake. Kick out. Rosales from the corner. Yes! Para sa 3. Nilalakang ika-anim. O, ika-8. 3-point. Ni Rosales. Mark. And there's a foul. Solinos, Levy. JM, pinasok na rin para sa mga laki-team. Pinasok corner, Mangahas. Lombre, 4-3. Yes, para sa 3. Nakasagot ang 1500 of City of Saints. Babasa 3 ulit. Uy, wala. Rebound by Narzoles. Narzoles. Binababa bola. Pass to Moy Moy. Moy Moy with a cross. Moy Moy with side step. Drop pass to Narzoles. And there's a foul on the free throw area. Jersey number 1. Renzo Narzoles. Time remaining 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Nandito si Guy, Baidol. Dalawa. Narzoles. Second shot. Wala. Rebound. Outbound. Last touch ni Kai. JM. Pass to Lombre. In and out. Rebound by Narzoles. Wala. Rebound by Kai. Out of bounds. Last touch. Green ball. Rosales to Levy. Levy. Pass ulit corner. Olave for 3. In and out. Rebound by Mangahas. To Moy Moy. Bad pass. Steal by Kai. Levy. Pass to Marshall. Marshall. Spin. Kick out. Olave to Mark. Step back 3. Wala. Rebound by Narzoles. Narzoles, and there's a foul. Number 77, that is Levy Kapampangan. That is second personal foul. Penalty. Hill City under penalty situation. On the free throw area, jersey number 1, Renzo Narzoles. Shot para kay Narzoles. Basket. Down by 2. 37-39. Rosales, may tangan ng bola. Rosales, pass to Manaloto. Hand off to Rosales. Rosales setting on the screen. Rosales, drop pass. Marshall to Kai, block by Lombre. Makukuha ni Moy Moy. 3 against 2. Moy Moy attacking the basket, no good. And there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 11. Mangahas. Penalty tayo. First shot para kay Mangahas. Wala. Mangahas, basket. Mabasa isa ang Alamangan. 39-38. Substitution si Lombre for Ajay. 3 minutes and 9 seconds tayo para sa first half. Marshall for 3. Yes sir! Nakikisali si Marshall sa 3-point shootout. Marshall for the 3. 42-38. De La Cruz attacking the basket. Blocked there by Dolar. Good defense para sa Hill City. To stop JM De La Cruz sa paint. Special time out tayo. Time remaining 2 minutes and 44 seconds.
Bakante niyan, te. Ano po dyan?
Ay na, out of bounds. Yes, sir. Maya De La Cruz. Moy Moy. Mabasa isang ulit ang Alamangan. There's a foul. Number 17. That is first personal foul. Second team foul. Marshall. Pass to Dolar. Hand off to Marshall. Marshall steal by Jai. There's a foul by Dolar. Foul number 88, Dolar. On the free throw area, jersey number 17, Jai Torre. First shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 42. Torre, wala. Rebound ng Hill City. Rosales. Uy. Rosales to Mark. Rosales, binigay from the corner. Rosales, running shot, basket. Magkapatid. Jai. Torre. Uy, wala. Rebound by Ka. Dolar, bad pass. Number 18, blasted, blocked by Kai. Rosales from the elbow 3. Bang! That is an pang-9 na 3-point na ata ni Mark Rosales yun. Ayan na. De La Cruz. What an extra pass. And there's a foul. Shooting the line, the jersey number 11. Mangahas. Ulit dito si Dolar, that is second personal foul kung kaya pinupo na siya ni Coach Quaresma. Mangas shooting for 2. First shot is good. Mabasa apat ang Kalamangan. Mangahas. Uy, basket 2 for 2. Mabasa ito ang Kalamangan. 44-47. Naman pa rin ang Hill City ng 3. Rosales. Paso Bongato. Nabitawan. Naka-recover. Manaloto. May taka na bola. Back to Bongato. 4-3. Short. Rebound by Mangahas. Pass to JM. Outlet pass. De La Cruz with a reverse layup. Wala. Mangahas with a fake. Tumira. Basket is good. Baba ulit sa isa ang lamang ng Hill City. 47-46. Jersey. And there's a foul. Offensive foul by Bongato. Illegal screen daw yun. Bola rito ng mga nakitim. Time remaining. Last 49 seconds. Para sa ating first half.
Okay, lining number 1.
De La Cruz to Jai. Last 49 seconds. 45 seconds left. Jai to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to Moy Moy. De La Cruz. Mangahas. Basket by Mangahas. Take favor. Lamang na ang 1500 City of Saints. Time out dito ang Hill City. Tignan natin ang huddle ni Coach Quaresma Robin. Time remaining, last 24 seconds. Shoutout kay Paul Pogs Ramirez. Wala yun, pare. Isang arangalan na makover ang ating mga game dito sa ating barangay Santa Lucia. Pag may mga budget naman po, gawin natin ang ating mga kaya. Last 24 seconds. Back to the ball game tayo. Lamang na ang 1500 City of Saints ng isa. Levy. Setting on the screen. Binigay kay Mac. Rosales for 3. Ika-10 na ng 3-point dito ni Rosales. Ay na, De La Cruz still. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Change favor. Balik ang Kalamangan sa Hill City. Alright, magpakat muna tayo for the meantime. At magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. Our final score para sa first half, 50-48. Lamang ng dalawa ang Hill City. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Ayan, especially maraming pong salamat muli sa ating mga sumuporta ng ating live at nang-share ng kanilang Gcash, ng blessing. Ayan, nandyan sila Ate Krings, kay Bukan, and also kay Ate Elaine. Hey, shout out the Lombre family. Alright, magbabalik tayo para sa third quarter.